Good afternoon. So we are here to present our project under the theme Food, Health and Hygiene. Nutrition is the unsung hero of education. You are what you eat. According to me, it's not just food. It's a profound truth that shapes our bodies, minds and futures. Every school has a canteen. And each canteen has its own menu, style of function, packaging, etc. But that means the school canteens are more than just a place to grab a quick bite, but they are an opportunity to nurture a healthy relationship of food with the next generation. But does the canteen have a healthy menu for students? Is it served properly? Are the hygiene standards maintained? So, to get the answers to these questions, we had conducted a survey, and the survey reports are alarming, rather shocking. Many changes had to be done, and our project is working towards it. Introducing our project, Health at the Rate 24/7, revolutionizing school canteens for a healthier tomorrow. Fast food. It has become a craze for the present generation. The alarming truth is that most of the fast food which we consume can lead to obesity, diabetes, and a host of other diet-related problems. It's time for a change, and this starts with revolutionizing school meals. So our mantra is eat to thrive, not just to enjoy.
So let me introduce you all to the menu. As you can see the menu, there are many menus. But today is Thursday. So let's take a look over the Thursday menu. So as you can see, the Thursday menu includes magic millet samosas, nutritious rolls, cheesy sandwiches, energy balls and whole wheat noodles. But samosas aren't healthy for health. So why are we using samosas in our canteen? Let me explain. We are going to use millets instead of potatoes. We are going to use wheat instead of maida, and we are going to use air frying instead of deep frying. This can make it more delicious, more nutritious and more sustainable.
So now, we are going to focus on a very important topic, which is crowd management. So as you all know, during the recess, there is a lot of crowd in our canteen. So, to reduce the congestion and wait times, we have invented and designed a very beautiful and unique app known as the Smart Munch, the revolutionary school canteen app.
Introducing to you the Smart Munch app. This is the icon of our app. Let's see. So this is our daily menu, and today is Thursday, so this is the menu for Thursday. Let's just order magic millet samosas. Now what is it made of? What are the nutritional values? I don't know. So let's see. By just clicking on it, we can get the nutritional information such like calories, carbohydrates, proteins, fats and sugars. Everything can be done. After that, we are going to order it, pay, and then we get the confirmation screen. After the confirmation screen is with us, we can also get a unique number. This unique order number will be known to the students. The students simply have to do one thing. They will go to the canteen and give their order number. The food is packaged in such ways so that the order number is also written inside it.
So, in our menu, we are trying to have healthy alternatives of unhealthy food, like multigrain dosa, parathas filled with vegetables, and instead of using processed nuts, chips, we have thought of using makhan. Instead of having soft drinks and other drinks, we have tried to have natural drinks like kokum juice and aam panna, shifting our focus to sustainable packing system. So we have thought of using biodegradable and compostable materials like corn husk for packaging.
So we have taken corners from the market which is usually thrown out. We took these corners and dried them at room temperature. Then we pressed it with iron. As you can see, it is small and not enough for packaging. So we stuck 2 to 3 pieces together using homemade glue, which is made up of wheat or maida. So we can use toothpicks or the thread made from it to tie the packaging.
Well, after using this as packaging, it will go to waste. So we have a sustainable idea. We have thought of converting this into compost by this unique method.
This may be a waste, but it actually isn't totally a waste. It can be used into the compost. So in this compost, let me explain how we are doing it. We have experimented it several times and it works all the time. So this is a container which we have cut a base on, and then this is the compost which we have made like that. So taking the corn husk, which is a waste, we have taken inside the container. Then we have used this. This is brown waste, green waste and kitchen waste. Brown waste can contain all kinds of twigs. Green waste can contain all kinds of dead leaves, plants and other things. And kitchen waste is just the waste that we get from the canteen. All of this are going to be added in the canteen and then we are going to stir it with water. After stirring it carefully with water, we are using this jaggery water. So fermented jaggery water acts as a catalyst for just fastening the process. So now the process, which takes 3 to 4 weeks, can take 2 weeks with the help of jaggery water.
So now, moving our focus to our last but not the least, a very important topic, health and hand hygiene. So as you all know, many students devour their meal without washing their hands properly, and unwashed hands can harbor unseen germs and microorganisms which can silently sabotage our own health and well-being. So to emphasize the importance of health and hand hygiene, we have developed a very unique hand tap washing system.
So as you can, we first took a pipe and made 2 holes from it so that we can fit this pipe into it. Then we polished it so that we can fit perfectly. Attached to this knob is a stopper which stops the flow of the water when necessary. When you rotate this at this angle or a certain angle, soap water will come out. And at a different angle like this, plain water will come out, forcing the child to wash their hands.
Join the movement. Be part of our revolutionary journey to transform school canteens into vibrant hubs of sustainability and innovation. Together, let's inspire a generation of students to make informed food choices, adopt good hygiene practices, and champion sustainable habits which will benefit them throughout their lives. Let's do our bit towards Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. Thank you.